Welcome to the myprojectbazaar.com.
This is our project title, Secure File Transfer System. This is the abstract of our project. This encryption algorithm is mainly designed for having a secure file transfer in a low privilege servers as well as in a secure environment too. This methodology will be implemented in the data center and other important data transaction sectors of the organization, where the encoding process of the software will be done by the database administrator or a system administrator, and his trusted clients will have a decoding process of the software. It is nothing but traveling the data in the network. We should securely traveling the data in the network. If a sender send one important information to the receiver, means the data should be in a some unreadable form, means it is secure during the receiving side, that is received by the receiver. So for that security, there are number of algorithms present here. This software will not be recirculated to the unauthorized customers. This algorithm comprises of the RSA. It is one of the encryption algorithm, number conversions, etc. These are all the intermediate operations taken places during the encryption process. All these processes will provide a secure encrypted output of the data, which will prevent the hacker from viewing the data when they are transmitted over the network are the same, even if the hacker gets the encrypted data. It will be many thousands of years to get a clue upon it, because there are number of operations performed inside during the encryption operation. This type of algorithm is needed for any organization which is needed of having a secure data transmission within the network. This increases the system response time, thereby degrading the system performance. Another drawback was the data was encrypted, but the decryption was not restricted to the specific user, or the keys were not distributed in an efficient way, because the receiver should also have an authenticator. Then only he or she can able to receive the key from the user, resulting in a retrieval of wrong data or incomplete request data, increasing the chance of hacking. In case if a low-level authority is absent, is on a leave, work is completely stopped and delayed for the review, because other members in the office or organization are not gets authenticated.
This is the DFT of our process. First, we are going to perform the registration process. The registration should compulsory for each and every user enter into the network. After the registration process, only he or she can able to enter login process. After the login process, the file uploading process takes place. That is, the file is chosen by the sender to transfer to the receiver. After the file uploading process, he or she should select the type of encryption. That is the type of security he or she going to apply to the particular data which is going to travel in the network. Then sender send the files. The sender sends the files. After the sending operation, the encryption operation takes place. The encryption may be a AES encryption or a DS encryption or a blowfish encryption. These three types of encryption comes under the symmetric key encryption. Symmetric key encryption is nothing but it uses the same key for both the encryption and decryption process. After this encryption process, the information is transferred to the receiver in the network. After that, the receiver receives the file. The receiver knows whether which encryption is performed in that process. After that, he or she is authorized, means can able to decrypt the file using the correct decryption with a correct key. Let us see the demo of our process. Enter into the NetBeans. This is a project title, Secure File Transfer. In the Secure File Transfer, we first run the frontpage.java. Right click the frontpage.java. Here we are going to transfer the file between the sender and the receiver in the secure manner using three types of security mechanisms. That is, three types of secure algorithms. One is a AES, second one is a DS, third one is a blowfish. These three types of algorithms comes under the type of symmetric key encryption decryption. In the symmetric key encryption decryption is nothing but using the same key we perform both the encryption and decryption process. Click. First, new user registration process takes place. So enter the password, reconfirm the password, registered successfully. Then we are going to log in into the system. Login, you are authenticated. Then this is the sender process. Here we are going to upload the file which we are travel in the network. In the network, this is the sender process. Sender should select the file which they are going to transfer to the receiver. Just browse, select the file, view the contents present in the file. Click next and select the type of encryption. It contains three types of encryption. One is a AES algorithm, second one is a DS algorithm, third thing is a blowfish algorithm. These three types of algorithms comes under the symmetric key encryption. If the key once generated for this each algorithm, the same key is used for both the encryption and the decryption process. Here we are going to first select the AES. Generate the key. This is a key we are going to use for encryption and decryption process because it is a type of symmetric encryption. Encryption takes place and view the encrypted data and send a file to the receiver. Run the receiver separately. Then select the receive file. Receive the file, decryption process and view the original data. We perform the same process for the second encryption algorithm. It is nothing but the DES. In the specialty of the DES algorithm is it uses only 8-bit key for both the encryption and the decryption process. Select, show the key, encryption process takes place, view the encrypted data, then send a file. Then run receive file 2.java. Let receive a file. Decryption process takes place. Then view the original data. Then we are going to perform the same process for third type of encryption. It is nothing but the blowfish algorithm. The blowfish algorithms can able to process up to 32 to 448 variable block size and a high encryption standard. It is faster than both AES and DS algorithm. Process, select the key, encryption process, view data and send a file and receive file 1.java. Then receive a file, decryption process takes place and view the real data. In our process, we demonstrate the data transmission from the sender to receiver using three types of security mechanism. One is a AES, second one is a DES and blowfish. Using these three types of security mechanism, we can able to securely transfer our informations in the network. Thank you.